I chose Night by Elie Wiesel for the nonfiction novel. It's a pretty short book. It's only about 100 pages. His writing is very simple, but that has an impact on the meaning and the events and the characters in the book as well. There's a little bit of information about the author, an excerpt from one of the articles that he's written over the years. This is actually included in another assignment about halfway through the course. A copy of the novel should be coming to you from the centralized library. I gave the librarian there a list of the names that I had, so it should be delivered to your home school very soon after the block starts. But if you are not a bad listener, you can click on these links to listen, and you can use them as you read the book to hear it and see it at the same time if that works for you. Something new that I'm trying is I included a whole bunch of links to worksheets in this. So while you read or while you listen to those audios, you click on this worksheet and it'll take you to this document here. So as you're reading, I want you to answer these questions, these key idea questions. And then after reading, you choose one. So that's the format for this whole document. There's 5 sections, and they don't exactly follow the chapters, unfortunately, but pretty close. Answer all of the key idea questions or one of the after reading questions. Okay. And in order for you to have editing power over this document, remember that you need to go to File, make a copy, and then take this out and put your last name in there and save it in your ELA B30 folder. So that's while you are reading and listening. Kind of like chapter questions, but they're bigger. They deal more with concepts than the literary elements. After you're done reading the book, click here to see the instructions for the memoir writing assignment. This memoir writing assignment is based on you, your life, and the people who have influenced you. One of the biggest themes in Wiesel's book is identity. And so the question to you is, what's the relationship between our stories and our identity? And even in your young lives, you have stories and you have witnessed history and you are a messenger to humanity as well. So I'd like you to give this kind of writing a go. So it's informal, it's reflective, you can be a little bit more conversational, you can use I, it's based on your opinions, your experiences. You still have to be thorough and thoughtful and choose one of these topics. So I'd like you to either choose one specific person or experience that changed your life and describe them. Tell what the event was, the aha moment, how they influenced you and changed your direction, and the impact, the effectiveness, the significance, all of that good stuff. And be very clear. It can be written like a story. It can be written like an essay. You've got some freedom here in the format. And if you can't think of just one person or one experience, then you can use choice number 2 here and write a series of anecdotes about the influences that have made you who you are today. But you still have to include a little bit of an introduction that sets it up that you are talking about a series instead of a single person or experience. So this should end up being about 2 to 4 pages, and by the end of it, I should know you're better. So that is the night module. And just like the other assignments, you'll create a Google Doc in the B30 folder and then upload it on Moodle once you're done. Enjoy the book, folks.